Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The book of Judges chapter 12 verses 1 to 15:1. The men of Ephraim were gathered together and passed northward. And they said to Jephthah, "Why did you pass over to fight against the children of Ammon, and didn't call us to go with you? We will burn your house around you with fire." 2 Jephthah said to them, "I and my people were at great strife with the children of Ammon. And when I called you, you didn't save me out of their hand. 3 When I saw that you didn't save me, I put my life in my hand and passed over against the children of Ammon, and the Lord delivered them into my hand. Why then have you come up to me today to fight against me?" 4 Then Jephthah gathered together all the men of Gilead and fought with Ephraim. The men of Gilead struck Ephraim, because they said, "You are fugitives of Ephraim, you Gileadites, in the middle of Ephraim, and in the middle of Manasseh." 5 The Gileadites took the fords of the Jordan against the Ephraimites. Whenever a fugitive of Ephraim said, "Let me go over," the men of Gilead said to him, "Are you an Ephraimite?" If he said, "No." 6 Then they said to him, "Now say Shibboleth." And he said, "Sibboleth," for he couldn't manage to pronounce it correctly. Then they seized him and killed him at the fords of the Jordan. At that time, 42,000 of Ephraim fell. 7 Jephthah judged Israel 6 years. Then Jephthah the Gileadite died and was buried in the cities of Gilead. 8 After him, Ibzan of Bethlehem judged Israel. 9 He had 30 sons. He sent his 30 daughters outside his clan, and he brought in 30 daughters from outside his clan for his sons. He judged Israel 7 years. 10 Ibzan died and was buried at Bethlehem. 11 After him, Elon the Zebulunite judged Israel, and he judged Israel 10 years. 12 Elon the Zebulunite died and was buried in Aishalon in the land of Zebulun. 13 After him, Abdon the son of Hillel the Pirathonite judged Israel. 14 He had 40 sons and 30 sons who rode on 70 donkey colts. He judged Israel 8 years. 15 Abdon the son of Hillel the Pirathonite died and was buried in Pirathon in the land of Ephraim, in the hill country of the Amalekites. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the book of Judges chapter 12 verses 1 to 15. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.